Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Gigaset GX6. For that, you need to go to the back of your phone, and I already took it off. You need to take off the back, and then you have your battery here. The SIM card slot is right here, so you need to actually take out your battery. And if you took out your battery now, you can put in your SIM card, and you have a little sign here that tells you how to put in your SIM card, and then you put it in and then make sure you put it up all the way. Put back in your battery and close the whole thing up again, and then turn your phone on. Since we need to take out the battery, you need to restart your Gigaset GX6. And now it asks us to put in our SIM pin, and if you scroll down, you can see your provider here. So now you can send SMS or make phone calls or whatever you need to do that you need a provider for and a SIM card for. So that's how you insert a SIM card to your Gigaset GX6. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.